So I love DeepLiveCam. This is from a developer called Hackside. Really cool, but it is slightly too difficult for the average user to use, which is sad. So I decided, why not take all this stuff and try to package it into a website so that the user can do all of this on the website like this. I click start, it's gonna take my webcam and it's gonna be live putting his face onto mine. See, this is not my face, this is his face. Okay, and I'm gonna stop it like that. Okay, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how this is working, how I got this to work inside of the browser. By the way, this is a browser. This is not an application. This is like my Chrome browser. Okay, so you can also do this by going to newface.live, which is my website. Okay, but I also wanna show you how I built this. So here is the repo. Okay, this is the repo that I built everything in. It has this link I just talked about. And like I just said, there's no Python, no Nvidia, no install. You just open URL, which is much more simple than the DeepLiveCam. But again, props to this guy because he did a lot of the hard work. All I did is repackage it. And how I got this to work is I figured out how to boil this down to 5 major components. All right, the 5 major components are right here. And this is what's going to download when you first run the website. Okay, so if I go to this, you can see here, launch. And what will happen when I click launch is it's going to start to download things. Okay, I've already downloaded them and it will put it into the local memory. So you don't need to download it again. But when you first run this, you will have to download these files right here. And let me break down what each of these ones are. Okay, so first, the SCRFD. Okay, what that is this here. So it takes my face and it's gonna figure out where are my 2 eyes, where's my nose, and where's the edges of my lips. Okay, and this is kind of the first step to understand what size is my face. You know, what are the proportions of my face. The next thing here would be this one here, the ArcFace recognition. Okay. And what that does is it understands from different angles, okay? So you can see this is what it was, oh, I'm in the way. You can see that this is what it was trained on, okay? So the same face, but different angles, okay? And it's gonna put this into the model and it's gonna understand my face, but from different angles. Next one here is the InSwapper, the face swapping, okay? So that one is pretty self-explanatory. It takes the person's webcam, it takes the reference images and it puts that person's face over the other person's face, okay? Like I showed you before. The 4th to last one here is the face parsing. Okay, so this is understanding what is my nose, what is my lips. One of the big differences between DeepLiveCam and NewFace is that I've made it so you can turn on just specific regions. So if I want just his nose or just his eyes, I could do that by understanding the different regions. And you can see that here, or this is the file that's able to do that. It understands what is your nose, what is your top lip, what is your eyebrows, okay? And that enables you to turn things on and off. The final one here is EMAP. This one is just kind of technical. It's understanding in 3D space. So if I'm moving back and forth, turning around, you can understand all these things. And you put all this together and you get NewFace Live, which is a completely browser-based face swapping technology. All you have to do is launch, download the required files, and bada bing, bada boom, you have a deepfake. Okay? I also want to note that I have created this guide which will break down every little single thing, okay, step by step. So if you wanted to recreate this yourself by using Claude Code, you can by using this doc. And just so you know, all of my docs are going to be in the description. So go there, click that link, and you can download this. Okay, and so just to wrap up this video, I'm going to show you another person's face. Let's do this girl because we did a guy last time. There we go. Yee! I also do want to note that this is really slow because I'm currently recording at the same time and my computer, my laptop is not that good. That's why it's slow. If you try on your browser, it should be much faster. So I hope you like this video. I hope you have fun playing with NewFace. I hope you guys do amazing things with it and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.